odi ego kakra kan yen ho sane be ya ego no be maya ye de ese na efata na obia anko kan yen anim ene yebu ankofu ana anko ha yen no eduru ba bia eya hwe kwan a wo befa so na wo ego no wo be massage no na o pride no wo be massage no se o ma wo pride no e supersede a certain level la wan hwe ya enipa nyina beka se umu ade mi se eduru brebia e wo se wo hwe kwan obefa so obe massage the ego, the pride and stuff yamfa ne se wafum waka asembi ena wano akopa ena mpanimfo atwe wan atwe adwen aba so se onua asem a wo kan ye no wano pai dia wasa wo ye ne se obe accept na wate ase se onipa dasanide se wo ye nipa nkoten no de eye den ara eduru brebia wano be paw wo ye nipa enti se enipa bi twe adwen si so se wano apawa ahobrasie mu ara gitum se ewo se wo pa ho achew na more dropping under the carpet. Please do it. I'm coming anim. Me twe me mfa mawo atwetwe no ekoba mu pe afei eseya de bebre eni ti woda chinti ma me pawo chew ana chew pa enya de ebeka wabrabo ho ofom na yetwe wadwen si so se minua wafom a gitom na ye de pawo ho achew na monkom anim se ofom uje utum na wo pawo ho achew na mokom anim a ebeboa wankasankasa entinka time, energy, resources anka mo be spend just to argue on a certain thing no because of say opa achew o me pawo chew ma fom fa chew me atwa bibia so afei na matimi akomanim enti learn to swallow your pride anopa dia make actually no me saying learn to swallow your pride eduru ba bia brewo ho ase ofom ne yetwe adwen siso agitum na kowanim eno betumi aboa wo oye nipa ne nipa nso de we are fallible, it is normal, you err, it is normal, sometimes you make mistakes, it is normal, you experience those and yamani. Why? Because you are a human being, and as a human being we do not expect you to behave like onyankopon onipa. We do not expect you to behave like onyankopon. So what you say? Thank you. All right, inti ma yamfa eno no fancy ha na yento adwumade ni so emfa ema wo ene ya woda December ne de to so ebienu ochena eye Farmers Day. Na Farmers Day edition no ebe so special, ebe so special. Nyame yadom a echena eye fiada esan Farmers Day ebe so special. Ye nyina ebe dane akuafo ye ba obi abe dress ti se kuanin ye nyina ye de a celebrity ye maame ne papa no mo a omudo kua no nti chena Farmers Day no. That is exactly what we will be doing. Na enenso so se na medical ka chon de wonkomo bebre aye ba bedie enkomo ne doso wo hwe de course of parliament enra ne esi ye wo parliament ni nyina hoye ni nyina ne ye se kokofa ba ye ne se minority MPs no nya akwanya okoko tena parliament hobi no ena omotwe speaker adwen si so se sane ensuo ye ne sa na wo sawia eye ena no fiada omo ba betena ase omo tena ase no efie ni take decision ema ena no benada omo san ba biem no NPP fo ebe overturning no enunti opani ba ko sorry edi eroli motion ye ka so eroli motion na say oputi motion na say o move motion na ni nyina ne say o sorry ye twempanifo adwene de si ade bi so ka kire won say dia opese oye eni dia opese oye ni na oko parliament ho no mu a yesi adwuma biya wo ho mmara adwuma biya ni emu mmara nti se oko parliament wo sisi ya no a dia omde govern wom eye niema miensa the constitution, the parliament, standing orders and events are SCC atwam. And I said the practice into the mother constitution, a 1992 constitution, you know, and no more practice or almost sign of parliamentary standing orders, and also so one of the year Juma and I say practices, you know, some precedents, good precedents be, and you may be a yeah, na papa no, and no na aba precedent until they refer sometimes to those practices no. Na oma to me the idea akọ manimu. Na parliament mremu no. Se wo pese u movie motion na. E wasa wo ma proud notice. Parliament standing order 50 clause 1. Almost standing orders no 50 clause 1 it say before any member of parliament be a person obey movie motion no. You give the speaker of parliament a prior notice. It is a speaker ne kotenasi. The speaker will know say a kotenasi na so automatically no it will become part of the government business and I say parliamentary business for it could be the ensuing week or the following whatever week it may be. So what I say, and you know before what the motion be called parliament say we be called movie no. I was several prior notice. And according to the Speaker of Parliament, Enra, the first Deputy Speaker, Joseph Osei Owusu, I try to dignity of friend say Joe Wise, no, Osei Moshina Boko Central, Member of Parliament, Mahama Yarga, or Pese Omuvino, Oma any prior notice, and per the Constitution, and that's a standing order, all Parliament, you know. Say na medical catch before we movie motion na wasa o ma prior notice o twem panimfo adwin say ne ye kokotena ase a me sorry asem a meka nie na mpanimfo mo awon ho so what you say. But in this case it wasn't like that, but na opese or invoke standing order 50 clause 1 of which enano e bonadano a omoko parliament that same paragraph and I say a standing order no na majority leader onimonyam force HMN Sabonsu and so per se or invoke of which the first deputy speaker did not allow him to invoke. And he said wama deputy speaker wama majority leader on Tuesday wama ne kwan amana invoke sa article 50 clause 1 no edia na enra ukuada no nso enya dia owo ma Mahama Yarga so kwan Emma o invoke and onimonyam for Muntaka Mubaraka or ya sanwase MP or say minority chief whip. So no, it shouldn't be that. Nanyetienie. Yes, we know sir at the standing order nature say before obe movie motion was all my prior notice ankoso. But in this case, it is presumed set time or movie motion it was seconded by someone. It is your movie motion. Now the motion has been seconded by someone. It means as a presumably yaje atum. It is yaje atum dia. Then we do not expect the speaker to pass a ruling on a motion like that. Say a movie motion under normal circumstances say we movie motion we move we will say unya obi mani accommodate or accommodate we and when obi obe second almost second then then debate in your man then will follow until you move the motion. Someone has to second it, then debate will follow until the next thing will be either omobetuaba and whatever decision per the speaker ni own discretion the odebe then they follow. But in this case, the amount who try say we will go to parliament and speak to one or two people over there. Enra ni see no more no machire mu achire from almost so omo ho no no nia esi no omachire mu sa pepepe e de achire yen. enti omo nhyehyeye mu no speaker no anase parliament ne nhyehyeye mu no o movie motion a e was obi second wi a na se ye debate wi a the next thing has to be either omo be voting you ma huru bebre your head count your division a whole lot say no be ni bia e wo mo ho but in this case ni ekokofa hoye ni nyina de bae no first speaker of parliament Emma kwan Emma ne ekoso ni nyina koso wieye owieye no ye se obe pass judgment na muntaka minority chief whip said there be we don't give ruling on a motion. We vote. And you know, I was say a to swaba. And I want to say there be to swaba or be money ruling. Now I was say a cocofa hardeba. Now motion be crampona oko movie ye cocofa win munina baye. Now motion in na say minority MPs in say yen reverse approval na and na no majority MPs in no parliament ekokoji tu mu say government economic policy document o magia tu mu no anka yen reverse sa approval no of which first deputy speaker overruled that motion by the minority leader say yen reverse approval no enya dia oji tu mu overturning ruling no. So the motion was raised by the minority leader, seconded by Boko Central MP Mahama Yariga. They debated on it. So to them, they were waiting. Say, Anko Beto Swaba, and about one maso. But first deputy speaker can be said per the interpretation, and he even read it. Say Obi a speaker of parliament. I think this thing has to call for a very broader education. And what is happening in our parliament, you know, some way, somehow, you know, a bit good. So what I say, but the whole issue is it relevant now? Are you relevant now? And who hiampo? Because I say, I take the attention of policy documented down because 2022 is just around the corner. 2022 is just around the corner. And don't forget, MPs no so be call mahumi jema kodi bronya. Bronya no so ba na eba. Omo so be brekia kodi bronya. And if they do not take any concrete decision or make any concrete decision on the policy document 2022 no ya so be she mpacho what ya say good afei de be kura asem na akwakofa hoye nyina de aba eno de mo amuti ahenkan ya chereche mu akere mu dada minority MPs ne say enema makomako enum ena o ma raise one tidal waves empanifo make allocation emfa nko 2 aka energy omo kire say sa contract no enhyedam favor Ghana yenyim firi ho 3 ejapa deal omo kire say ejapa deal no so enya de ebeboa yen 4 benchmark value eno so omo kire say moa 5 e-levy no ka dom si yenyim fan firi ho na one ba ko ma san de be ka ho recently yes ye friend no services tax and only 15%. We will come to that. And another issue these are the major things minority MPs now raising concerns. But I pay a simple question say if their minority MPs are raising and a problem there, why not the government? Why not the government? Because even Utie finance minister or say finance minister or winding up or parliament or say by consent or say they have I said concessions be normally agree also. I'll try and get that one. Na me fa amount. But ma yenko ahomane so na yenko nkobo enkomo ye ne Dr. John Ekol Otu ekotwetwe nkomo Deputy Director Public Health na yɛne ne kɔbɔ nkɔmmɔ dɔk wote yɛn ka no pɛ yɛama wakye aba Henka no FM dwumadie maakye so apo mbɔkɔ deɛ yɛde awurade ase wadaroma o ɛndrɛ yɛ na Ghana Health Service mienya ne nteɛ sɛ yɛfrɛ yareɛ bi sɛ Omicron na ebi wɔ Ghana ha yɛarekɔde 2 cases no kure wɔ mu saa Omicron ankasa kora yɛdeɛ baa deɛ
on a place me chill and the man say my friends say the COVID-19 and come Omicron no Bruni Beka say a variant you can say variant COVID-19 virus no and come in say 2019 COVID-19 chance wo ha no me and CIBC and they are affected as all aspects of our lives. Okay? Now COVID-19 is a virus. And viruses, you know, they depend on here some infected our body and as a baby plant number to me survive it, okay? On their own no to me and survive it. It's a more natural instinct in the say be affected obi affected nipa no and your virus affected plant na COVID-19 affected nipa and so virus no survive and you say about would nipa mu okay and one is say embre danti strategy ba come survive and say embre dania almost mutumi dane so ne be ya mutumi survive almost into nti enam sane nti virus abibia no omodane omusu na we say na omodane no sometimes omutumi dane na omaye more vulnerable so na be like winter but omutumi dane na omaye more resistant and omaye more stubborn okay so body no immune system no entumi enku omo. Okay, and a little bit brain influences in your mutumi dane. It be a temperature conditions, the kind of enduro nipadiana more nipadiana woman or no, and I know the brain. Okay, and no na COVID-19 is a virus but me dane and temper and Omicron one of the variant types are. COVID-19 no etimi adane aye nti you compare the first COVID-19 virus na you Wuhan na it to more than 1 year Omicron year you say ensisan ewom kese pa ama ensana manaye more say etimi design and kofo na emposo binye bia the likelihood say ya real be many takono a mobile thing acting previously they are here now. And the Omicron the new type of COVID-19 immunity. It will be a CMO is an approach and a penisa. It could be brain recorded say in the Ghana. So unfortunately, say it kind of you can everything too. But and the news a woman say the Gucci as so every brain more travelers are mobile Ghana. Enti wo hwa embre konya no na mesono ekoso yeah
I see enti eno nso so ne symptoms no say ne kire unya bia eden na ekoso wo nipadua ma hu se ase wanya bi
okay so far the first thing is that COVID-19 and it's only a type of COVID-19 it presents the same symptoms as COVID-19 that is nya obebowa that general malaise symptoms but there are a year of concern any two things so it means sign and term and I say any and term it means sign that you back within a short time and the other thing is say it to me a year more deadly. It chance of the wound terminal a high. At where you never knew wiase nyinaa edi etire and esan sɛ afei na aba ne nti ɛnɛma no bi ehia mbrɛ kakra ne etumi de ate aseɛ yie but one of the things so far actually saying wohwɛ fiti die ɔmo hu besi and nipa dodoɔ a ɔmo nyɛ bi no ɛkyerɛ sɛ etumi san ntɛm yɛhwɛ sɛ is it more deadlier than Delta strain na ebe twem na nkɔmɔ no gu so ɛrekɔ so yeah.
I see nti ɛno nso so kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛsi ano ɛyɛ the usual etiquette a yɛ use for ɛyɛ COVID-19 wow.
Exactly because in COVID-19 there's that a different type of COVID-19 yɛnyina yɛsuro sɛ wonye dia nsunsuanso a ɛde bɛba no ɛbɛyɛ more than their anim no and see it's natural because send a meeting can make sure no virus na bibia almost the same and almost the same different ways almost the same almost instrument any day no you won't move because you don't survive body immune system look on one side that you are applique more they are taking here almost subino identity almost thing it means almost to me invade body immune system. And virus started to me invade the body immune system biano. A chest which made the pediano at them more. Okay. And a honor yes true war. Intina year bo biako say. It's an Omicron abaninti. I was saying a year safety protocols a year to mano. Yes, she mukina. They ma a year to man and bright a woman. A deal you will say and for far a woman you know. A bit more. Our vaccine, is when you be, but because of our vaccine, identity, we are no, our form. Okay, and he not sure say, and already I can say, the whole vaccine and just we never has maybe. The only thing is that we're born from severe disease and death. And he, yes, sir, say COVID-19 protocols, no, I will say a question to face mask no I will say yes na bibia and you be din kita with you you get the unko be get the pardon be appear so the when you be ukoma na fie na bibia be bia na bibia kan say about what how ho so this many issue be ho so this many issue hand sanitizer dey say dey ebu say bibia e bi ben ho e bi show bag mu e bi show bottom office o car mu be bia hand sanitizer say bi ho na bia be na odi bi afa won sa ho ya shun say we mu nyina ebo ho ban na omicron no say impu o susanso bi a ontumi enfa me kan.
I see. All right. Ya gidi said ya COVID-19 ne ba ya ano be ye den ema lockdown nyina ebe mu no we emfa situation bi sa emfa mabiem.
Yes, I wish. But you see, I did not question a chat and says, you bet me a bonfire, you bet me I wish to say and banasa, but the young yet, yes, yeah, a bit me abba. And you know, Obia war to me, so which other boy, we dare getting it, never boy, and my son lockdown restrictions not in and bemo. And see, let's is region for, say, but see, you going and you didn't afford the air. Yam wire home. Na Pia Phantom also say, or the bottom home by. Would there be wow home by? Oh, home by, not automatically, so will be so home by. Okay? And the face mask, the young shen agree, Pia, PFC at them. Once I will pierce through them with the face mask and say, oh shit. So when you young coon shall not prompt on, coach, I don't show my see. Well, I need you so quiet, so woman and able for say, but up from 2 young call. Now, young, I try to say, go fight, social interact. Well, you record the young for a record program, but as much as possible, no, young limited gatherings. Now, improve bigger gatherings, one of them say, but don't be free and share small space. More. And no, aya emboa and a ho no. Anyway, na, oh, say, or medical condition, there will be ano, who treating ye, what chapo, who did ye, we need good rest. We will mean every woman in that's my year now. It's me, I never see. Yeah.
COVID-19 by cases, mild cases. Any this one, we the so sign it here.
So far, well, Ghana had the after the alcoholic cases, and the case of Omicron case I according on me 24 on Ghana, and you go see a show or more you recorded at least information I feel like with me and I pay now. They recorded very severe case among them, but they are in the essence of 2020 after no year in a shate because they came in they were no more okay. So it means it's possible that more mobile now, more incubative virus and a mutu harness, a testium, a PK. So it's in the early days. But international travel, South Africa and other countries are cases now so far. More vaccine than cases mild, essentially vaccinated. There are other people they are having diseases. HSA, it has the potential to cause severe disease. Okay. Sir, it's a bit here. Sir, so one vaccinate one COVID-19 vaccine now. Sir, what time now we should vaccine be quite now. The immediate summer of Ghana, there were a lot enough vaccine in the country. Eastern region, there were a lot of vaccines. Eastern region, I had it soon. December 2021, Ghana Health Service declared the month of vaccination, and Eastern Regional Health Outreach, Yaya Krado, vaccines in the Aba, I did the war Obia. Never Monfidi Israel, I should be unquine. There's a woman of vaccine now. Health Outreach, each quine hospital be. This man, the insurance hospital be able to be to me. As much as possible, to our vaccine. Well, there's a one will be so. Share time. The second dose now, so what second dose, because we here so they are fully covered. But what 2 doses mean now? It's me a born home by. And see, every time you are responsible in the boy. Now, you know, to me a boy home by no Obia and soon COVID-19.
Yura anope yadasi. Okay. Nyamin Council Hopa Yane Dr. John Eko Otu Ena Edwin Komo or your Deputy Director Public Health Ewe Puyaman Temuhanomo and Ene Kwatutrin and Komono. That brings us to 37 minutes after 8. Still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. So I was talking about some of issues NDC Adrezi meka NDC minority MPs issues are raising and as a key achievement from the resistance of the 2022 economic policy document. One, raising issue of neglect of tidal waves victims. Was address it. And then again, on committee to phase 2 of Blekusu Coastal Protection Project. Na onhwe emas a omanfo ni nyina ho nto wo ejapa enso mo kire say aban no or abandon no emwa wo oma science so the another issue the about say ye were automatic adjustments of fees any charges ya cover more than 2,000 items aban ni hwe na onye bibi emfa emfree ho benchmark value policy reduction so aban no enhwe na onye bibi mfa ho. And E-levy in the air, almighty E-levy. And on your can say a binding scrapping a cry, only free hokra. Omu here any negotiations on that. No, a binding share not only free hokra, E-levy no, M1. But a binding also said Debbie. O you free hokra, nyadia, a bebwa. And Finance Minister Abrana all winding up in Parliament on Tuesday, no, or say concessions have been made. But if concessions have been made, it means how many NDC MPs no nyina ahia am o madwen akoben krom. So if that is the case, the drama in Parliament, the drama in Parliament, ain't funny free. The question I may be saying, no, sir, could it be say the government of the day, is showing ego, refusing to, eat a humble pie with a minority, no. And now minority, no, they are also failing to show leadership. Because according to Finance Minister, no, and you have had series of consultations, meetings with the leadership, and myself here, what I know is that Finance Minister, any both leadership in the house, majority, minority, no, or no meetings upon meetings are concessions, no, I know all it could be say were made. If concessions were made, then where from all this drama? I go to Parliament to the extent MP Biba Speaker of Parliament and a whole lot. You watch the video and it is very bad, distasteful, and we shouldn't entertain it in our body politic. Democracy, no, and no democracy ni egu nanimu ase no, and it is very 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 bad. Democracy na ye won atwetwe saa no, enye, and it is very 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 bad, very bad and incredulous. Mo yana mo bibi fanfa ho. What's the account of facts? Mo ni yesu yamo. Ni amo kire he no. Ghana politicians ni amo kire na ade ba kwa amatimi aya ade amo kire no. Wa kire brofa kase ka. Enti yasramo, you guys should stop displaying sa abrabo no amobo parliament ho no. Emho. You do all this and at the end of the day no, you go to a fie. Now I command wo ma. Hey, be disciplined, be that, be this. Meanwhile, you are in parliament displaying pure incredulous acts. Very, very incredulous. And it is bad. You got to shy away from it. Your parliament today. Into your minority. Back and forth, no, and solve any problem. And for what I know, maybe grandpa mini parliament hono. I know say you present economic policy document to say was stages best 5 I be go through. Into if and some no issues now raising in no, and you're part of the economic policy document, you still have another chance. Now it has gone through parliament. Parliament approve policy document, you know. While prove no one say yen spend it. No. The next thing, and it say the appropriation level. And if you still have all the issues, all these achievements, the so-called key achievements that you have been resisting, say there will continue to be this lockerhead say war parliament and you know. If the word is if we are serious about it, to me, I think that you still have chances, you still have opportunities. From the policy documents being presented, debated, approved, then move to the next level, which is the appropriation level. And on appropriation level, no, you have your reps over there. Over there, you debate. Into say any part of the policy document, you can still draw the attention to that and tell them, say these are pressing issues. Why is it not part of the policy document? Can you do something about it? And don't forget, say impo extra appropriation level, no, about estimations. From estimations, you know, then it will come to the budget implementation level. It will be budget implementation level now. And sometimes, you know, you see supplementary budgets being come in and blah 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 blah. Over there, you still have the opportunity to force the government to force on the neck all the key achievements that you have elaborated. No, you still have the opportunity. What also was happening, no? So you can still force the government to do the needful. But the back and forth in parliament, no, mu delay time keke. Now don't forget to say, now, Mako enra anyeye ene moko. Sebeye yo, senye yo, ye nimumpo. Echna monko, because echna a holiday, statutory holiday. And I was saying, moody holiday, no. Then mo besa babaka, I just say Tuesday. Ye gusunso ye delay days na, ye delay days na. Meanwhile, I was say policy document, no. Ye timi take a concrete decision on before we even cross over to the next year. So that the budget will know the fate of it. There has been a back and forth in Parliament, and our revered people we expect them to know better, no? Some of them are displaying act of incredulous. Na emwa munyai yo media maka media wie obeze maka de ya kire mu monhwe na monye ne ebeboa yen na yentumi nye bibi emfa ma my Ghana, because you sworn an oath say you serve mother Ghana. Enye se mbebo ho sutro wobekwa akotwetwe nkonwa mpanimfuo mu a twetwe nkonwa na ba akukura bottle no no so the bot table no so sa ka afi ba ayi nwomo boy watch our say and no so oh, it's so interesting. But ni nyina kan ho bi na eso 45 minutes after 8 my twi ehomra ba ye to aso e de amamo yo banko fodum sikasa ye afiri mu okay ba to tie we ba me ba sisi a.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. You're from Kobina Kosti. A brandy part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 923. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And Kolam for all genders, all age groups. That time about 3 be one. Almost emergency. That's why you.
Etiana ne hansem kan no an average pundit like some of us, you know. Now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because I said I need quality one and yet too high in the idea. Tom I do you know massive one Americans one boys na crack say. I'm buy you know on the delete music you know from digital channels so I'm decoder so.
This and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay, so still live on Ahenkana 93.3 FM. Matching media did your friend me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Me pacho Nyankopon ya adomo a on the 11th of December. On the 11th of December, ya the training bi e de ehye so. Ye kire se de ye yen enwa. Enwa no betumi anyen, but wan yen anyen ni yi a. Emfaso e wo se wonya free so no na wanya. Nanso so training we no ye de be hye so no. Ye ba be kire wo se de obenye enwa no na obenya so mfaso. Uni se enwa ba ko oto bebre. Na se nyame ye wadom na otumi to be se yemfa ne se 50 mpo. Na se enwa 50 nyina ye yi a ene enwa 1 2 3 4 enwa 1 2 3 4 omoton 50 Ghana cedis enya asem ketwa enti no enwa de wote se ye ka ho asem anu ahwe kwan abefa so a obesua ne ye yenkwa homa ne so na yenkobo enkomo sisi aye ne member of parliament of France Ayrebi ono krono asan eye osoafo a obo amane ede ma Ghana aban onimunyamfo kwadwo opon enkroma yewura wote yenka no pa yi ya mo achi aba henka na fm so
that's you let it say
nyame ehu ye mobo na wonso
nyame ehu mesu mo bo ha sei ma mi chia we tifo nyina na men mo ba so adwuma den amo ye de boa o mani na
yenso ye da se papa na enra na ye nyina tete TV hu ne hu se first deputy speaker wa overrule motion bi a minority leader Erizie Emma Ekofa a whole lot of chaos, be it as it may. A dear potting is see our parliament or Wadaroma.
Ma imping a chicacana, Yankai Kaidia, Lady Kayasi. Ye go through budget process, and I find a fast tree or minor comasika. Budget process near Tumu. Ye decline abiding to budget ever to parliament. My man approval say and they may see when you saw Opesa feel we was Oboa carpenter for Opesa Oboa, Omidiamu, Opesa Oboa, Wanuma, and Yang Coco, a for an amount of Apesoye, and only when you saw the your ma approval Nivia, na fee Nintrimupa. What they know about Parliament back to say be a ministry be a Jumo Bay and a Comasiku Hiano, which you know about Parliament, and only a part to a friend of estimates. If you estimate now, the assistant ministry be an Abajima could be a sick you know. You can now boom near Shemraba acquire a friend of appropriations near part 3, and only a Comasika and Casa will be to me in Sakamra, says a Yemfeska with Ma Abajima Ku, we say, Yemfeska with my police for no police for California police for Jumafi, we say. Yemfeska with my fire service, no more fanya sedumano. Yemfeska with my Ghana education service, no more fanya school who near the maintain appropriations and a tossum answer. If you appropriations now, they're tossum 9. And it says, I buying a campus of a person of a difficulty. I'll see a SS can humbra. And it is a e-levy, we say, despite the fact that I can't a buying to poor car animal policy document, no, and who be here say, you better say e-levy humbra. A honor and money a bar, only you do say 1.75 and par, not a balance to 1.5, and not saying it and not saying it. You bay and so. If you are the chat for your budget implementation, the Sika, you say, Nancy and Family, the Mawana, watch media, you wait to man. It was a June hobby, you know, Finance Minister Baba Parliament. Now, what by mid-year review, it became not a supplementary account. Into a fine, it became out of a fine in Numuno. Part 1 out of 5 parts. And you have 2 parliaments, and you have 2 parliaments, and in the Union Dom Kuman say, and even Numbi more or many in the Indian Sakrayo. Now, Finance Minister about Parliament last week Friday said, and a moment chancellor. Now, Neman Numana Makan, Yensin Kunya, near who send you ever solve Neman Numuno, now be a comatonium. You know, more there some bar say, and Neman Num Yen Sacremuno. Moma acquire my young Cotanasi, in an Tinku, Yanian Sovereign Manu, Nafidom Debbie, on the Twaba budget. Ah, now dear wow, Senior Numa, when in your Hoyanium Sakai. Now, Finance Minister, for the first time, I mean, maybe politics at Yana, even about Parliament, Finance Minister about Parliament say, Yamakanamati, Moma and Soriso, Nian Koshe, at the end of details, a woman, near who sent a bad Justin. I feel more was a Debbie, I'm present to about the budget. Honor Mr. Speaker, as a finance minister MP in Tuaba. Now, quite fast, so can my members move for your papa, as a finance minister MP, Obama Parliament, a police for from Marshall, Abefanny P. Said not any DNA. Until my members move for your papa, who a member of Parliament from prior, so near MPs, be backbenchers, be no move for your papa. The Nakuma also. Now, ye and Pesa, your members, baby, dear. She said the NRC and I said 6 January upon the sea and comfort to Tony Moutimba and yet into the PI members in an carbon thing. A core essential for babies, I said that's a treachery which they will say in a piano. Now, no, see, she has a caucus. She has a caucus in we are a TNS, Mr. Speaker, any 137 members, no more so much about your budget. And also the Ahubasimu and Brahma coins are. And Brandon say, a Brabia over pressure will take a decision of Parliament, a decision will be and now to say Parliament decision. Also, MPs 138 or them all. Young Kassa was 138 in the Tuabano. They say was 138 in the what them all. After 138 in what them honor. One of my bet Tuaba or Mudu do baby or my dream the corner, a honor Parliament I dream. Into which me or 130, so 138 were them all, not 8 Kassa or Montuabanibi. Now 130 Kassa on Beto. 70 crap one side, baby, 70 Nigerian 70 no bet me make a binding decision on Parliament because at the time 70 na a majority of present and voting or decide now 138 were them all. We know more 137. Now 137 in to call from back. The buy no na Mr. Bernade na your majority leader, the train is to speak again general. Mr. Speaker, SMBC will have say if you die, if you 6th Parliament are not opening door Jahoni speaker no. Na omo shem ready on Bank of Ghana Act. Nipa na watching back na 133. No mo shem rano. Ade tin on ba na Open between my general said, Debbie. Senipa 133 and what them had their good take decision any year. Ampa, Deputy Speaker, I go back to no do. Any Mr. Speaker, and later, or my drink open come say, hey, where they are 12. Then you 138 and what them had their decision you take here, and see that Parliament into me also for any argument. And the Speaker, they see 2015, maybe an sense is a 137, and what them and I'm sure take a decision. The president will declare that decision in your valid. I'm penny and Prime Mr. Speaker, Eddie to Muse, I'm penny and pa in your valid. In the end, to us, we inquire Finance Minister, motion and the honor. Ye be deciding near 138 MPs or them or Joe say who count as MP and just or better 138 and they were them all. To 138, ye to a ban, no voice votes. The eyes had it. And I had budget no atom or mine a binary trim upon yadi atom. I feel you ever call estimates. If you estimate say appropriation, if appropriation are revenue bills. That's a budget implementation. Then I assign should be a bimatarian. So I am a finance minister person on the come if you are now say Muntino. And they are approve budget in every year. You call any mono. You quite say you bet estimates and appropriations and revenue measures anymore. And see Mumra, the entrance you call any near the action. You know, by and round of our say budget now at the atum or more besan boy. Into the emotion by say a mungu. And on Mr. Speaker, catch up say, a quiet crowd move fast so the motion way by or that 51 now more person more invoke, in United also. Secondly, me and Moka say, name is a bad me to be man to be. May a member of parliament for the quiet. Me can only 138 members, and you fee has a dana fee in the international. But me a bad man to be. It's a woodiness as no so say, woodiness no so na and untino. Yen bo budget na ya atum yen samunwa eno de eno ya den enyi na speaker ye kind members of parliament parliament and sana parliament to take decision MP and first deputy speaker onye speaker eno kan no mo ntio na yi obi kwa change speaker ko nya gidi o ma tumi control your members they have no say suspend the house no suspend any agenda and then an opinion and common so. But you didn't say a bunch of pony de Yajatum. The Akawa nimini estimate appropriation near the near Sansa catch from said near my soul and some person you want Jumano. If it to me discuss near your Juma, the Bidna enemy.
It's not more a bit of surprise looking at our posture. Then again, Monpenny for crime union and TSA, one no almost some penny food, you can't hear your meeting cry. Muko do parliament afi no mo ye sad de no mo ye no na nwa kakra
ye one so ye one den je enye one say enye di kan ni enti sabi enye dia said I one but dia e man ye one kakra so ni say asem na nya asem kese enye asem bia o abide ntumpo aba wo se me ho issues aban say ene ma ntin kunya ne enye wo se me ntrase mabwagu ubogu ya uni numbers no. And you have the right thing, constitutional thing, I guess you near Branayan solve issues, who said there be. A holiday, dream to be our because that's a thing we did, said it, and said and pass. The honor the bay and Nakaka. By a coin, you know, the aircraft in they are gonna hear and say MPP and DC. This in Kunya, they are drinking on mine. Problems are them. You hear Ghana for pan or Yasovo. And you say, young Katana, we are Article 4, Article 15, not or Parliament to the day. I know the young thing to Obama and say, Uncle Parliament. If Obama and say, Uncle Parliament, you call it Mamma and Manfo. The Mason and Mimi could now have me prefer a clear 4 year, most of you my young wow, when we see, Sani training say, Ubi Arab Banner and near Quajuman, only I am an repay. Then ye cake, never boy.
Wabra finance minister nya kwenya na or wind up ne budget statement our parliament or make some points be or say concessions have been made, but we heard the reactions from the minority now. Not just a concession no Nucribian shedenim na say nukure wo mu a adentina still la omoye dia omoye no. Is it that one government and all try to show some ego not to eat humble pie with minority, and now minority ni mum and almost fail to show leadership?
Almost someone say concessions on a kind. I will say Bubuni ne dim baku. and sana o man who say concessions no o matiase em say o masem no the people pa no enya some why thing say because concessions no concessions I was say tenase na ye dwindwin ho fa bibi ti secretary defense project we say openism bi say one open say sika in e beso a obetumi aka kire me
me wa hapa
obetumi aka kire me
I just ye shada ko si hu konwa ansa
and no point no it is a minister no be gina ho ade obetumi aka ne secretary no mehwe se na ibenye sika e de amaketa no ma montra se na ye hwe sika ko aye hia e 1 million na 5 million na 10 million na 20 million I just say tenase near so na ye hu ne de no ahye yi levy wasem ne se wo mpese Ghana fo betia dodo ye se yate ye wo kwan bi a ye so ye pese ye hu adwuma telcos no ye no mo kasa so mo nte omo de ne so na aban sanka sika no bi no mfanye ya kwan ne niam ahodo aka se wo ma ye nsi nkonwa e be den na sase muzi yetumi akama na kwetire nti ye nuano ma sem ne se concessions no ye ntudin ya sem ne se concessions no e wo se etena se na ye negotiate concessions no na sa ban ko tudin di na finance minister say ene keta no na 5 million si 5 million de enso nti na sa asem no kan na ye de en e ba no o man sika sem a ye ntwi na bo so sa ene o beka 5 million o china 2 million ade china 3 million na asa de ayeye no ye nim de ayeye no tina o se ye tena se ne ye hihye wie a na fi abetudin nti de openi no tuni kan ya ne so keta see defense project no ye discover him mo me tena se ne agree on sika ahiaka na yemfa eno enhim that's all
I see. Na sisi akrampo ebinumu bisa se na budget na nkasan kra na ba ye no. Is it e-levy any some key points are NDC for aboboso minority aboboso no eno pe ne what document ni mu ana side no ye wode ma fufuro bi e ka ho e na ye nka ho asemi
budget no na etwa sika kese pa se mfanya kwan 16 billion Ghana cedis budget ni budget di kan yi 1 billion say yemfa mo amrante ni mebu adwuma budget ni budget a ese yenhwe se ne mate sa akokọ carpenter fo adwuma ya yedua mo ne ade yen daso ntete duties wo they are important and more important ones near for no so yenhwe yen de no mu kena na emu peja ne ma hodo bebre wo inu anom de obani nyina kwa akosi e-levy enem se kita so say eno no entin na omo empe budget no but yet say politics there yeah enema say see the here pa ne say ye be mo bia adwen abaso say policy ni dey approve work afi dey aka no ye accommodate onema stages 3 or 4 ne mu ne fanya adwuma
yehu se mo bill is nka mo ne finance minister Krampo be ye press briefing eno amaso adentia
say na parliament ye mikro ya wo se menene ye no ono kro ye wo so be ye no nyina ne wo parliament ye hwe atry din komo na wi so there was no way an able to make a press briefing no enti amrepamono ye be sa press briefing no
ye jawa mo akokra no ye bisa asemu etwato wo hwe stages ya aka ansa na ye be wie krakrakrakra na budget no ya de afirase ya adwuma no a mu be hia consensus building ni asase a nanim yi mu gidi se mu benya that middle ground for consensus building in the way forward
chia na so mu ye eno aye sorry so kra no ye sanhia na jono edi ye ho nkoma se ade aye ye wo parliament we enye fe enim kwase so bi papa kontra parliament na also so angunya na o ye enim kwase me se me ba hu me se me yes ade no TV so ana se me constituent hu me se me yes ade no TV so asefem enim kwase mo ba yinyai na asem no pa wo ho no aban akyerɛw sɛ wayɛ krado sɛ ɔde bɛyɛ adwuma no moma yɛmfa nyɛ adwuma nkɔmmɔdie no a yɛdiiɛ no mehu ne sɛ na akoma aba fam ama ntiaseɛ ɛyɛ ayɛ adwuma sɛ yɛnyae saa agorodie no a yɛdi on the floor of parliament no na simple sɛ yɛbɛka sɛ yɛnsete bɛyɛ 2-3 days po a yɛma obiara ntena fie kakra na akoma mmra fam na mpanimfoɔ entena se ehu kwan asa ni manu mu esi ombetitire no ebi abe next week na koma aba fom no ye ba na ne enye keke kaka ye hu se okay ye din komo ko ma usa de ne be ni se nti se ne ye ne akọ ne mi an sa fe nti achia de achia nanso mu ye
achia nanso emu ye minim se obepɛ sɛ obɛka bibi a ma misa ho asɛm na afei yɛmfa yɛnkɔma twetwe ni si a
o mebo mabaso ebio adwuma mo ye na masrɛ ye tifu nyinaa sɛ adwuma na ye na edin jabre bia no mo fa mo paibo ene mo sunsun pa entire chi e akɔhoma sika na ye kyekere no eno na ye nsaka ye de bebe fi na nnwuma hodo a ye so wo sɛ ye manfo nyinaa no ya hwɛ na ya ye
arope yɛda se obrɛ no ada agye wanyama yɛ ne yɛtiefo
yamenka mo nyinaa
enti yɛne honorable MP ɛde ma ɔmanfo ɔmo ɔfoase ayerebi ɔno kro no asan yɛ information minister the Republic of Ghana ɛne yɛne ne kɔtwetwe nkɔmɔ no onimunyamfo kwadwo ɔpɔn nkroma ɛne yɛne ne twetwe nkɔmɔ no sima enum ɛna aba pa anɔpa nɔnkron ɛho kai na ɛhyɛ ne nsoma me sɛ dwumadi a oguso atie no ɛyɛ Maakye live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Offer me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo, the Commander General. Medical catcher say we have a date with a school for Mukoko Jinamuma or Dance Senior High School. Our National Science and Maths Quiz 2021. Yanuamo ewon komo enche sound komo twetwe ebesha see wo fi ha. If whatever questions, whatever words of encouragement, I will be person will be catch a woman. Over to media about 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. And until before you be coding come on, Namigusua me ene kasafa enwanyen ade kire no ho me pacha wo pese usua sene yen wan yenyam fa so di firi so a me kamfo eye training we di amamo nyame yadoma on the 11th no just say eye memene da e be na wotwe e na sa adwumadi ne because so aboabo wo pese wo besua se de yen nwa na wunya so mfa so a e na adwuma ni krom yes we understand but you can create opportunities for yourselves a ebe mo nya mfa so bebre e de afiri mu enti ye kamfo sa enwanyen ade kire e de ama obi a wotie anopai Epacho bra Ahenkan FM befa forms 50 Ghana cedis enkrofo adi kan ba befa forms no kra ya hodwire ye to nsa de afremu amwaka no onya ma ya you still have some time a wo betumi aba befa forms no kama pa 50 Ghana cedis pe frɛ 0244 878763 0244 878763 na intumi emwa wo pa na K Asenso Limited nkonwa yetete so edidi djuma ofie ha nyina omo adawroma e na omo de ema yen K Asenso Limited swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves ni nyina free K Asenso Limited circular adabraka off Iran Clinic Kaneshi Flamingo Road Zango Junction Fraying it was 0302 257209 0302 919 739 home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. K Asenso Limited. Ash Foam. Ese minkanchira wano pay se oye carpenter ni. Ena oye stuffing chairs. Ana ubehia cushions. Any foam sheets. Edi ujimano as carpenter. Me pacha wodi weni bechiri mo Ash Foam. Quality mattresses, pillows. Eni ne keka hu nyina nso ye Ash Foam. Ena wonsa ebeka no eninti eya na wahye ne nso kama dia mame Ash Foam omo nkrabata ne doso okọ kede suedru akroso ene achiase a obehunu wo mo ewo ho enomo fraying was 0552997330 0245 011255 0552 997330 0245 011255 Ash Foam or say feel it know it. Frimpong Enterprise me can how many times not just say who hear me pa Christmas ye room obey your Christmas hamper and I'm a good so obey Christmas hamper dia come will be a I was so do any chili more Frimpong Enterprise. If I talk of Frimpong Enterprise, on be hamper no powerful the amount. I'm when you pan out the command on how to say yes. Why are dear? unim chrome ɛyɛ Frimpong Enterprise ɛna meka mfom ade ama mo ne ano pay ipacho bebre ground floor of Madarina Hotel achim odan ɛna wobɛhunu wɔ mo ɛwɔ hɔ fraying ɛwɔ 0244 897525 0244 897525 afei 0206 473953 024211 1236 Frimpong Enterprise yɛdwuma penti yɛfrɛ yɛn adwumawura nyame yɛ adom a 25th of this month Ahenkan FM ebenya exactly a year officially a year ni de yenya but officially no ankasa yɛ pa yɛ ho ntoma yɛ hyɛ 5th ɛna yɛbenya afe pepepe na sɛne yɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛ celebrity saa afe daninti nyame yɛ adom a 25th no yɛbɛyɛ walk kakra nante ya tenetene ya pumu akama na afei yɛhunu yɛn halfway anything moyɛ identifiable group ana moyɛ corporate body mobɛpɛ sɛ mobɛ partner ana mobɛ join yɛn na yɛde saa walk wei ɛde ahyehyɛ so a woyɛ company wopɛ sɛ wobɛ sponsor ɛyɛ 0244 878763 0244878763 yɛpɛ enipa mako 1000 people ɛna yɛ expect mo obi obeba bia nso ebenya ahenkan t-shirt ni bi ahye ɛyɛ t-shirt no ɛna yɛde bɛkɔ walk no nti obi obeba bia obenya bi ahye na ne yɛte ne sɛ yɛ nkyekere mfa ntoa wɔ fie yɛ meseden yɛ nkyekere t-shirt ne mfa ntoa wɔ fie sɛ minimu asoma esi minimu obenti nti ɔmrɛ me t-shirt ni bi da bi t-shirt ne mea na mehwɛ so me make sure sɛ ɛnni sa adwuma no unya ba hanko ade a obenya bi wa ma ha na motena fie sɛ mfa mane wa ɛno de anya de ɛbɛyɛ adwuma ɛyɛ no ahyɛ ne so 0244 878763 ɛno ne yɛ companies no ɛna mobɛfrɛ na yaka boom anante kama pa 11 minutes after 9 live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM reps a omukoko gina mu de ma Odan Senior High School omo wa ha but tiwe ma me ba ye de nkomotwetwe ne hyehyɛ so.
I ask you to be citizen, fellow citizens. I ask you to be citizen, citizens, not spectators, citizens, not subjects, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Okay, so until the work is done, we are not resting. And into year 12 or some case so kai. Na esha ne nsuma me se wadwen chiro betimi dia ba streaming live on Facebook Ahenkan 93.3 FM as well on YouTube yen channel no Ahenkan 93.3 FM www.ahenkanfmonline.com yewo ho Modern Ghana my tune in and yesan ewo Zeno app radio Ghana Waves and so yewo ho and no more. So as we speak, reps are omokoko jina Odan Senior High School anaimu ewo National Science and Maths Quiz omo ewo fie ha. They came along with omo a teacher for inti me be ma teacher for na kwa aba na ba bi omo tene matam omo afiri hɔ akɔ akire hɔ ene ye nkwala ne da inti no na ya celebrity nkwara no ewo fie ha. You can join the discussion ewo eye kabavie nyahwe okay LPM bia nyamba ha boss o LPM bia nyamba kamensa adaroma enti bia ko ba bia ma ha all right enti yeba be bon komo wa ha no mo yeba bon komo e wo ha no mo emperifo ma me mama kire mo mpo mokwa de me pa cho mo check your microphones no ma me ansa na makoho producers no check your microphones no ma me Kobe K mo check ma wo ma me why na mo dress your up kama na fe ya fa yan komo no enhyehyɛ so okay all right enti And I celebrate you almost for you to go through I think regional level, then to national level. I'm going to do quarterfinals. Charlie, we are heroes. Why? I'm going to be a mumabum. We are heroes. Why are they papa? Easy. And easy. Sometimes, and I say, I'm found you might think so. This is normal. Baby, I'm a tea. Obi tifi was here and you're doing a quay. There's me a simple cry. You don't better hand. I will say, yeah. Ubawo. And but for Mama Maakye. Mumpumbo ko there. Okay. Enti yebesha share the free. Me send fa so ha. So from the extreme right, then we follow. Ebacho biduru so anwa bodin ama me no a kire your position. Nti wo so na me sha share fi.
Okay. Echo me dey the Divine Ankra na head of science department.
Mr. Divine
Ankra na. When I head of science department.
Or senior high. Yeah. Yes, boss.
I friend Sir Jake.
Sir Jake.
Yeah.
Jake as in Jake. Jacob.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But also position.
I'm a assistant coordinator and for the National Science and Maths quiz team. And also a trainer, chemistry section.
For the National
Science and Maths quiz, that's the name on it. Odan School section, that's the team.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I see. All right, sir.
All right. You're from Daniel Kwabnasari. But do not from London.
London.
Yes, sure.
Oh, I see.
I'm the coordinator for the NSMQ Odan School branch.
Oh, I see.
Right.
I see. Enti school fwe nyina fa mo nsem.
Sure.
Okay. Mama Shasiem Femfi, head of science department. Say, processes in Shasie free he.
Well, a started free selection based no omoba 4 months during the instructions you try to identify the good students who can actually stand as a this quiz student. Now you pick your mom. Then the training starts from there. Then we do collaborative work with the assistance of the school management, any nananum and
nananum.
Yeah.
Now the money nananum the school mo.
Yeah, omoni ho, but they help us or support us in other ways financially. And,
I see.
Yeah, and the management, school management, headmistress, any listen, teaching staff no more science department, yeah, and other teachers in other department, maybe English and then mathematics. Yeah, they all come together to build the team.
Okay, all right. Inti munya invitation no said this time around mo kan ho bi ana mo de automatically mo ye member as far as national science and maths quiz near concerned.
In the before you get to this stage, we call regional level.
Okay.
Yeah, into regional level competition, all the schools in the region you compete. Into who win here, who win it from at the regional level, then it means automatically we call a national level. So we did a lot of work to win and then project ourselves to the national level. Honor, the progress here.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, into regional level no. Na mo number near do saying. And I mean call said London. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So at the regional levels, avenues are given to all second cycle institutions. Our region. Yeah, and we had 14 groups of 3. 14 groups of 4. It be group, maybe 3 groups, even 4 groups.
Okay.
But in all, at the end of the day, almost for only 14 schools. Already now Eastern region, Accra 5 seeded schools. You can't see a seeded school. I try say the previous year competition, ultimately called drew quarterfinals, and I say call bro quarterfinals. Until now Eastern region, Accra 5 seeded schools, St. Peter's, Kufuria's Sectec, Pojos, Ebri Sectec, any Osino. That was the previous year's contest, Sana intina on being here 14 Eddie Akoka 5 year na war harder than no the account now my for me team Eastern no the call national.
Okay.
But God being so good, who say some of the schools they lost their contest though, but omunya higher marks. Tomo de baako ebeka ema yenyina koye 20. Tisana ekoye 20 na fee omu free Eastern region eko national.
Okay. Mamemra se Jake ho na mo ye part of preparation na mo prepare nkwala no for the main event na oka ho bi.
Yeah, from scratch.
You know, how was the preparation? Now, were they responding to Nyamokan in Tentemana? Na was a bit slow.
Previously, on say me actually ka say your students are more good. Na you started training no. So actually no, your or ya solito mu free. Omo colleagues no ho. Near doma ko ebia the science lab. Near co training with special and peculiar training. And he say bia nkwala na ma form so mo fast. And he said, when you're fast now, but join you, I mean, you slack down. And he said, training, I say, you're speedy because squeeze, you know, and you're syllabolic. What do I mean? Just say, and based on any kind of manual, be say, Musiana Makotro. I say, all areas, baby, it me ba. Omo to me, ya, could do university level 100, need 200, you know, fra. It now say, students, in your order fast and intellectually upright. They can't compete. So we isolate them, we train them. They are also learning day in and day out, sleepless night and other stuff. We're also on them, pushing them from scratch. And with time on OSANA, with quizzes and kind of training from their coordinator and other stuff. So through that kind of training, you're reaching that very height.
In the Mopeke, these 3 contestants, no, Namuhuni say Omumuna. All the qualifications now are coming almost fall within that category. On
the first, we found Kualana. Every baby are 14. 14 no form. Yeah, start your strike test. And the no knockout test. And the yes strike almost started some year test. Now boy say naturally good ones now start you hoopy. And you bet my figure about 14 good students. But you will hold my dear no about on your quiz material.
Oh, I see.
Or you good but on your own to horse seat. Obo how ni my dear no about on your born the pressure na.
No from.
Oh no, I can't afraid be pressed to kill.
I see.
Omo press by the penany your machine. And now bones and now I brainwashing. The onim the other campo. No babo until babo sana me na you pass on to other school. You even end up getting negative mark. And the quiz now quite outstanding quizzer. I no and this other quizzes and crop for you. I know the way rougher. All the negative baby fee. Yeah, ma double chance. Unim. And yes, I know more testing us now. With time, the bones and Kualana, we good now. We are standing now. Or we quiz material now. We are very articulative. Boys or man can say you're happy.
I see. And the me and saying baby di mudru ya no mutum say oma yebi ana de na kamo hwe ni mu no amanenti no my a bit worried.
Oh, we are not worried. Baby, I don't see I see that. Even soon see that ever history has happened. Even see though. And in the name of the school ni there. Yeah, mama mu nyina ne papa ne penifo nyina dem say even see that. And the ama old students na no they are very very excited. Na sem penifo kra ne aja wa odi akiri na wani nje so wani je.
Okay.
Ana nyame so boawa now on so any agenda next time no so mu.
Okay. Yeah. Nti baby amudu ya no.
Oh, now first time I hit it to this higher picker. I mean you have done well.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I am first time here.
First time I do this higher height.
I see, but you try on several occasions.
Yes, yes, like and you backslide, you come encouragement, you start again. I say, when a man falls 7 times, you have to just recognize and get up.
I see. Now we are part of the team.
I'm joining team, roughly 2018.
2018.
Yes.
The 2018 so more core.
2018 me buy na 2014 then you know started, but then Nyoma wasn't that glowing. And 2018 also I started from scratch and so on say na ente concept na se nti Nyoma bo ha na yen fire hu hyem to that extent yeah. Until say we are sense the way they are need the high baby.
I see.
And you do that very high. Yeah.
All right. So what we do now, they say, I would want to pause the conversation with Mo, and then we bring the contestants in. na fe ye no omo atwetwe nkomo so kakra nti ye besere mo na we de mo am nko research ma yen okay nti ye ne eye Odan Senior High School empanimfo na afei contestants na omo call for National Science and Maths quiz no ye no omo ebebo enkomo sisia. All right, so I have Richard Asari, Prince Asari, and we want to try and then Elisha and Isaiah. All right, so is it Isaiah or Elisha Pepra?
Elisha Pepra.
Elisha Pepra. Okay. So it means Prince and a what right hey and
but we Elisha Pepra.
On Elisha no. And
Asari Prince.
Asari Prince and also
Asari Richard.
Asari for mu yenu afo.
Pachola we na afo.
Mu yenu afo.
Pachola.
And ababi shia.
Pachola.
Oh, I see. Enti momo na yi 14 people no. Mutimi coming out as brilliant students and now say mo na mo qualify ye de no mo hwehwe na mo qualify. The first day ye bubo mu din say mo na ye de mo kwakwa kosi akan in the name of Odan Senior High no. Ma me sha see free Elisha so Elisha then on here o.
I felt excited because say among a group of students.
Your friends would want to see your face very clear. I don't know whether you can take off that thing. Thank you.
I felt excited because being among your colleagues and you select on say could you BBC Emma or school I felt okay.
Was it something you dreamt of and you even thought of be say a bit me abem?
Yeah, truly I believe in myself.
Okay.
And I know I can compete or I can contest.
Until Elisha fi he
I'm free a chance.
Who fi a chance 18 mu hey sa e ho na wotena ya e ho na wo etete wo nje se obi ti a chance o timi contest man ye I see. Nti ho na wo call primary school nyina. Wo school when?
Me shall say a chance
Wonder Goodman. So no wonder you are doing some good things. Okay.
Na me we Salvation Army. A chance Salvation Army.
Oh, I see. And now you see how they be PM or Odan Senior High into level saying
Form 2.
Yeah, sorry. Mo dia na form no. Okay. Form 2. Oh, I see. Free Senior High.
Yeah.
Oh, product. I see. All right. Into mama no papa nyina wo ache ase.
Mpatran.
Wo ka se o mu tie o.
Mpatran.
Na den na wo pese obeye. As in what you would want to become, your career.
My career. I want to be a pharmacist.
Obema nuro.
Yeah.
I didn't know that career.
Personally, for me, I like science very well. I cherish science, and basically for chemistry. Nah. Basically, I like.
And you wanna maintain one thing.
Yeah.
And basically you love it.
Yeah.
Hey, brah. I see. It's best about hold you. My main call Richard rather. Only Prince, no. All right. Into Prince Asari. Also free him fan.
Pacho achianse.
Also free achianse.
Pacho
I didn't hear.
Pacho hana omo me hana me parents mu na.
Hana ye wo.
Pacho me parents.
Hana wo parents nso wo.
Pacho
achianse.
Pacho
Chairman Amanfo constituency ni.
Pacho
I see. Also go school where him fan.
Pacho me yo achianse RC.
Roman Catholic.
Pacho
yeah na Wednesday bia na call you know.
Asori ndem
higher dreams. I see. And he also so ye selected we say we part of mo amu kwa ku gina Odan Senior High School anemu no. Then on here o.
In fact, Emra me say like on me say me nko jama school no me de because na me need that if you say among our one and I say yeah cultural exams no in fact na we are all equally good na me share me strength na me catch me won say oh mean to me because me share omo na me no omo kwesi akan exams ni mpo na I say omo ina ni ma de se me ba me kan me say o de na e besi bia ye rade nti no emra me tie say o ma select me say me nko jama school in fact me de because na me need that man dwe ho da na say man dan dwe ho de be rather say one day no me so betumi abegina ma ayo dance in high school because now we are almost 1,000 and then na out of 1,000 we no yetumi select me say me nko gina ma school in fact me de pa me de because na me need that and na fin so tell me kan ya no nipa dom bebrebe na se yiwa na pa je say yes we no nyam ne akopon so assurance me me de se me ka say anya me de pa de anan de I say me trantro.
I see. So same question me bisa Elisha me bisa o. And then I also person obey.
But me say me ye soldier.
O person obey soldier.
That's right.
But o Pentecost head na bit me adi o.
Oh.
And now on person o pay head no.
Pastor Lawi.
Aba the way I wo tie you betumi adi soldier no class the Pentecost head aka ho.
Ba me focus now. Soldier no so
just say da ne de ya de saw kra o be ya ba. I see. I didn't person be soldier.
Me hwe me stay chane we na mtumi say and afin so me hu say omo ye training ni do because ye ho a chance barracks na ya me ko ho mo ntimi hu the way omu see ye ne ma na me fe.
And do you see yourself say with this opportunity awenya and then the mileage a created the amount of crab are so simple?
Yes.
And what shall see our 2-1 among just to check whether okwa omo beje
pacho for now on the I won't say you use school chain me train resource no na nkwan ya dom na say e bana enkuni maba na afi ma start to 1 among
anya say wo wawie
pacho.
Oh, I see mona mu wie ye mu bi tweja to all right my main call the other Asari no so ho no mo Richard Asari apomoko
papa nyamanum nyamiadum
oh okay because we kan say bi also wa chiase
pacho da bi
oh we
mo akra
enka wo wa chiase kan mi yimu pie sisi ya because enti mi nya chiase nkwanza all right akra he fa na wo medie mu na wa ba no
no danso man
oh wa he mi amedie mu danso man sukura zongo empotemu ho no mo se wonim ho nyina danso man school be na akoye
pacho mi ko Edley International
ampa eni nti na wo ka quiz no ho no o interview no de ye nhele mi sa question bia school na wo koye no nko anyways enti from dansoman to Odan obusuani bi wa around ha
busuanfo kra Odan within Odan bi wa ha but enye mo say no so
mu chief ha no mo ana say
bi yenchi ankasa de fantifo ntino your central region but ebusuanfo ni bi wa ha on say family associations into the PRAPRC.
Oh, I see. Nti ama wo wa ha.
Pachoan.
Oh, okay. Where were you school?
Pachoan.
All right. Now also person be there.
Mbese me double into pediatrics.
Pediatrics.
Yes.
Now career person you ma me kwa betimi pronounce it. O person di book sika dada no ho. All right. Nti uwie ba ye no sign a feeling wo fie etie.
Oh, okay. Sisia de I say looking at how the whole thing went no quiz ni man na koye who say nyame ai bi pa man and we are very much appreciating tifi na nkata yete kra no even though say ye share baby you do sisia na e hu say it is a great achievement.
My celebrities kra.
Really,
it is not easy to be on television,
yes.
National television, yes. For that sort. Into see I'm a celebrity. Into oh yeah, dance my celebrity and now dance celebrity. Oh yeah, dance my celebrity. Okay, into time wa ya bomu din afi ya finalize ya hu say mo and I'm ko represent Odan Senior High School. Into na ani nyina ehwe mo. Mo first competition, you know. and then na ekọ so wo mu nyina amadwene mu obi abetimi answer question we.
Okay, I for one you say in our first competition you say this was a very big opportunity. We can also prove ourselves because we really worked hard. Yes, we really worked hard. Now we had the support of other members of administration in Nananom. Then we didn't also forget our goal.
Nananom, your mama will be power because my teacher free can Nananom. Also better as also Nananom support. Hey, any Nananom no pay me chiamo. Nananom me chiamo. The me chiamo ne kwa kra asmati ase. Aha. Na opeso kasa intio.
Oh, na asmona mi nane kan Nananom.
Ah, fa kaka ho. Enkomo ho mfiafia ho na ma ne ye de. Fa kaka ho yenko.
Pacho senia mi nani kan no. Your first competition in fact
na money here for
pacho yakusia benkum wenchi salvation.
Oh, okay.
And other two schools
wenchi
pacho
oh that's how we met to mojuka
and senior your teachers for no kind no when so akwa first time intino in fact do na esuro bana enho bebre na yakopon chade yemia yeni yes because yakono ya dwen say you do and die ye bisi bia no
eh nyabotre what's na den
do and die
hey oh so can be okay if you do and die
if you say na any break yes because ye hwemra almost select ye na ye tena se dwen say da bi because school or down school nyina ni teachers for nyina ni da ye so because intinu ye ntumi enkogu yen school ni teachers for any masse especially yen head mistress Madam Philomena Rosina Boatin
brofura
because say ye share how na teachers for any die so any training omodi ye famu any old students for no support om the mayen any ye hwe how na pese ye wini na in fact ye adwen pan say na ebisi biara o say dey ye wini inti so ye try your best. Say no matter what the situation, we will try our best so that we can win the contest.
Okay. Inti afi eduru baby no ashase ne de na eye off camera. Ni na mo ye na ma TV so. But it got to a time ni na mo ye na eba TV so. Muhu TV so quarter finals no. Crowd no, were you intimidated by crowd no? Anana mo ye okay. Why no be answer question we? Okay, Richard, you too.
Yo, in the quarterfinals contest, no, you realize say we've really strived. Now we do some paper so no. There's been a series of contests, and we've been able to go through all those contests. Now we do how. Into no, at that particular point in time, no, you won't settle for less because what if baby na over and what do baby. That is the quarterfinals, and I feel about TV so. It's even to me personally, no, and then along with other people, we were those Omana and contest and Kazan. You realize say that is how far we've come. Into no, all ideas should be brought on board, and one they obey, and one also your ho. So do Southern African do and die. You know, intimidation there it was there. They were trying to do all sort of things, but you also remain focused, and that is, I think. That is what helped us.
Into not my attention in this say, hey, yeah, the TV so. But now my attention say, we na mo pesa mo nsaka.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Yes. Enti da mu free mu no. Elisha, and then na ekoso mo adwene mu.
Oh, yeah, the energy say.
Who mu free mu no energy here? Hey, Elisha.
Many and just say free. But the person make say say to me ekoye si de school no na in the first place kura yen do sa
munko do hoda
nti eno kura mpo ya achievement nti ye free me de answer da yam ya.
Oh, I see.
Answer da yam ya. Though I felt nervous kakra but answer da yam ya. We were expecting to go high but the Yankopon de ko do in there. Yeah.
And say Madam Kaufman tina kunwa mu no maami de bia ohwe no TV so but na de wo tina nim and also how's the feeling?
I was very happy to see her because na me hu ne da na me be say me hu no nti in the first place no cry seeing her no cry gave me morale
Yamu yansema Madam Kapma. Say, utimi na wenya mura akra keke.
Yeah, you know, be energy. Because na you na pese hunu.
Ba ono so di agaba mo atrendi o.
Maybe I
for the account we didn't ring the bell no. One thing. So we are contestant in who ni eko. I say, hey, who rang the bell? I say, Madam, we didn't ring the bell. It was so interesting. Okay, enti botaye a tie dia mo ko ye ni nyina achi. Ene se ye beboa na mo amoye intellect say no. Ye be expose mo. The question na me bisa mo ne say, okay, say ye humo. What is next? Papa you know that's who school mu o afi na wo beko. E de be bi na di si wani so. In the way forward, institution bi a beko mu no be pese say contest bi ba say ya. Odo hu be room ana baby ade asie no aye.
Pacho before answer na yen so e betumi abaye contestant no eye obi ena boy eye yen past contestant ena omobae mo support ye be church ni amaniama enti no say yen so yankopon ye adom na yen so etumi be contestant no it doesn't mean say so far as I do ye wie de nanso ye ma no so he ya yes ye ma no so he ya baby biara ye be hu say search quiz and answer competition ko hono no ye be try say yen so betumi de ye ho involve provided say ekwan nko a ho ma ye nko ade a and afin so senior bidi kan na akoye pass contestant yin so no ye form 2 no so ho mo a yankopon ya do ma na esi o mo be kwanti yen so ye be koso ade ho ahyem na ya bo ho senior be ya baby aye yantumi andu no mo be du ho mo na o metra e be so mo tra mpo maye
oh okay
baby aye ndu e be so mo tra mo twam kura ko new level
call me nimu mamo all right inti ye di nkomo no ebe pim ha kakra na yakọ ahoma no so na omanfo nso so afre just to say one or two words of encouragement any afutu ba komienu bi a ewo ho no mo de mamo no enti sisi ya munyina mo twen with a section Elisha mumienu de mo wie school mo twen mo resources e beba schools be na munya mo kwa mo pe
KNUST
o pe KNUST
ena Legon
mbako unye mubi ya obeko ena mbato nzo
yeah the same
unzo the same yeah. Oh, okay na this akwa de boko anu ma sheda ko blabi kaka ye ne koko gina mu ma o dance in high school no
wase okwa na wase oteku omo ankasa omo kana onso wo hwe na
wo se wo de ho kwa chere
I see oketeku kakra
I see
ejamwa
oh my goodness Bacho Kafra obetimi aba 0201944485 0554820910 Bacho udin ni baby akase free
Mr. Bento me free odan kwanta
Mr. Bento me Bacho yentio
wow of Bento no on kwanta no
you offer
me bo me teacher for no ene mo friend nyina abaso think in said the almost grow no me school for 25 years me the one call competitions be because na me a chief driver yeah no stage way and baby omo ko do ya no in fact me na me di kura me ntumi need because at the end ya me dem all say me bo teacher for na abaso on aye be papa teacher for dey won nim me ba mo friend dey wonim me san say me wo fie tini ameka na say nyame enka wo ho na wo oboba nso wa yad sense ba wo de won ba ho no mpo no ama odaman kra no ye ni agemo nyame nchira mo
amen yeda say Mr. Bentel me ba ton so betumi aba 0201 94445 udin ene baby akase free
ya so me kwesi nyantachi
offer intio
yo Obuoba na misha pa ani aduma pa wo ye see emerenti ya ba ya oni won obusebusa won so mi won wa wo fu ti a won wa wo fu ani agi papa enti ne make an se obi okọ school bia woni be no no so ntua ngoma ni bi na nkwani mu na Ghana yenso akachi fo attitude emra o man na Obuoba de to so mi no e fu afidie so na masere wade kakra the pacho MTN for say yenye registration new sim the pacho tete ayare fo ani de akeka ho enti kebetumi a kon finkin kronkron so te se ne national health insurance for ade echi no ye register that amount na enye na office we mi say mi ntimi mforo o abrosa no e dash
yen so ye da say if I chance who din baby akase free
so mi fi odan ye friend sami
okay if I try into you yes sir
nyami shall be great
amen
na titu mojuma modiaba yes yenya kwanya ni express ye ho teacher for odan school odama damasi masho dan no nyam especially mo head mistress any more teacher for mo yesa akwanya nyami shiramo na monkomonim ememu a omko akwansie a omudi nkunim me sɛ awurade mpaebɔ de ma wɔn sɛ awurade ankasa mfa wɔn adom na ɔde ma adikanfoɔ no ma wɔn na wɔnkɔ soro na wɔn nimdeɛ ɛnyɛ kɛse na wɔtumi aboa yɛ man Ghana nyame nhyira mu nyinaa
yɛda ase bebree mepa kyɛ odin ne baabi akasa firi
mepa kyɛ kasi dava abotire nam kasa firi ɔda
boss yɛntio
yo anapa yɛ ɔbɔ nyame nhyira papaapa
amen
yɛnya no kuma nso ɔnkɔsi akan na ɛnɛ wurade nna na ɛde woyi sɛ watwe ɔma ba ma ɔdan nyanso ho dwumadie na kɔ sɔ no akyi deɛ ba ma nya da agyen ɛdɛn a nhwɛ bi ba ɛnɛ na mama hu sɛ baabi a yɛnya no kutansom duɛ nie nyame nhyira papa na ama bɔ kyikyafoɔ no so aba so ɛna yɛ mmɔfra no nso mpɔgya nam so nyame nhyira ɔm na ɛsɛ no aka baako ɛsɛ lasha ɔno na ɛbɛgyina yɛsɛ awurade ahoɔden tumi de ama no sɛ ɔnkɔ sama no deɛ nyɛ kɛse na ɔkɔgya ne ɔtumi mmienu nso bɛka ho a ɔmatumi agyina ade wɔn akyerɛ baabi a ɔmdue nyame nka mo
amen yɛda ase mepa kyɛ odin ne baabi akasa firi
Obuoba sɛ Romeo ni atemu anti
sɛ Romeo yɛntio
ayɛ adeɛ onyankopɔn nhyira wo ɔma radio tie ayɛ interesting yɛn nuanom nkɔmɔ a ɛyɛ ɛwɔ ɔda school na ɔmogyina mu for national service and mass quiz competition no yɛbɔ ɔma ba so ɔmo nyere ɔmo ho ɔmo ayɛ adeɛ paa na mɛkyew adwene aba parliamentarians agodia na ɔmo di no so wakasa kura ɔkasa bi baabi a ɔsɛ ɔmo yɛ interesting ɛyɛ interesting ɛmɔ but all the same all work and no play make that door boy anything almost in your institution here
yɛda ase bebree mepa kyɛ odin ne baabi akasa firi staga yɛntio
Obuoba nyame nhyira paa ne dwumadi a wodi nkwala yi school wode bi mu ba hɔ ɛne ɛtietie ɔma no asɛm ɛmu so kɔɔ competition a ɔma kɔ aba ɔmo nso wode ɔma ba hɔ ɔmo yɛ hudeɛ kɔ so wɔ ɔdan bɛtɛm nyame nhyira paa na me nuanom nso ɔmo kɔkyerɛ exams no sɛ nyame nhyira ade ma wɔm nimdeɛ a wɔma no so nyankopɔn ma ne mmerɛ mu ma wɔm ɔmo ma ɔdan adu high level nyankopɔn nhyira mo paa
amen yɛn nso yɛda ase last caller mepa kyɛ odin ne baabi akasa firi Jadam Fori, me patch into
Obuoba, I'm in Zawan of Bay. At a bento, and of a teacher. I'd have what that square and the wolf. I'm a mom more than far. Una, and Palana Yajuma. Oh, my Yajuma, because the boat does mean a Benahana or phone. Is that way a nest? I watch Yancio. Oh, my Yajuma. Because if you need a tree, I fell a forum. Tede tiye juma ene ba koda na ka lifestyle o ma ye juma yen bai bo ne se na memwa na mo nkonko mo manim atia se man nyina so ya mo bai bo endai emofra na chi ohin no enkwala no ati o manim pa enti yen so ye proud se yen ya ye wo atimo da fa nzo nzi nyina emofra yi ayesa etita fo no so bo ma ba so pa tanze me sam ho na makomikuro mu jadem eniti no bo ma ba so pa nyame nhyira mo anofai
okay nyame nhyira won so me fa cho etimi for frefo bi abiem yenkɔ na ye ne wo mo enwie yenkɔ mo twetwe no kra na me nyane ntia sɛ MP enso so ebre mo some token bi ɛyɛ no kra
pacho ai eno kra
MP bre mu sika bi
pacho ai no kra
o ma mo sen
o amount ne de on my particular amount it was enveloped.
So you are not privy to. Okay, then mami bisa mo penny for mo ba na ma bisa wo mo. I don't know, maybe teachers no why no ye preview to amount MP they buy no because it was in the media. mumu bi anim on HOD say Londona sika MP de buy ye no na ye sen because ye yet see so am 5,000 Ghana no crazy one for we ni the American no thank you me say MP yes we brem 50 million kan sika no and 5,000 Ghana cedis no kuro
no credit
and I still I want it and I producers the crowd here I am a question and I knew ya or din and I want it
tinamente.
Oh, I see. Into see the ote. To mean sankabium.
No problem.
Me say honorable kwesi akwa ya tese wa brem 5,000 Ghana cedis some of man kwala no no kre
no kre
wodi wani ehun 5,000 no
oh na share envelope mu and or two ni din yes nti no kre
na say share envelope mu a odi brem acha na me boa
on say ye ne
odi brem da ben
ye ko ne ho nene nansa and
free nene nansa be pem na mu mi envelope ni so
oh once ye ni mpanyin fo na ye adwuma na sabi woni opanyin zu ye adwuma
insane ho
sa nti bibia wo ye mpanyin fo no ensem sanete
na say ye mfia on ehye mu ankasa bi o ma yi o de boro mu
se wa se na medical kan woni opanyin na ye adwuma nti se bibi ba sa na
nti eno no se mo fama team na ankwala no
eye abasobode a ode bo team no ne aboafo ebo aye ama yetimi dru sa impempenso a yedru ye no because impempenso no yedru ye no on say enye school ni nko an ye peja no ye peja odan edin odan no e say quiz mistress nim for the first time say odan so Eastern region no nim da nti ama odan akọ the lamplight nti na ye enumyan sha ye mbei etimi epeja odan no na odeda yase
na quiz mistress nim say odan wo ade wontie kwa me yoje nyoma
na yasemu serious
oh I see nti mo na ma left the banner of odan
sure
to the world
sure
and your my idea
sure
stone boy kura mo twa no my idea pa me dia me nya tese ya disika bre company bi association bi amani dia chiri pa because ye no omo an e here adwuma wan hwe ya be tro yi bi aba beje fans ya boy ensem pra be ko na ye fast ge anything na me bisa no
me gidi so be me akwanya na yada impemfo bi ase
oh sure but ye me bisa no so hu hia
no ni din ni wom kanke dru ha ka me boso
body obeboso but the me so me kan hu hia me pa
no kre ye konifia ankaza se ojina ba bi kan ye konifie ye konra bu
some so me hu se wa dress kama
very good
wo picture mu ama hu bi
very good
mama ma kwan na da omo ase ne yenko
yo nti ni edi kan ye de asede ma twede amponyankopon se owa yen ebedru mpempenso edru ye ne etoso mienu nso ye de aseda e ma yen head mistress ana ye administration a Madam Philomena Boatin edi enim in fact ye madam abone ho modern ye papa mene headmasters everyone say Mr. Francis Yejuma mene Madam Philomena nso da so ye ejuma na Madam Philomena aboa ye papa ene na panfo a oni omo ye ejuma Madam Nora assistant headmistress administration ena Mr. Michael Aholuye assistant headmaster academics and Mr. Dua Mensa assistant headmaster domestics Yembeza ye Mr. Jerry Anoche Emisa ye metron na onwe
one fan the din ba ko na nka ho life for hene
me the minister friend is out
and ma catch
yo ye beza ye san friend life hene wona kan you wona minya asema wona kan Mr. Jerry Anoche Emisa ye dan spa ye mame a ye tu kwan na duane ne hyeto ebo am ye kodi nkunimba no ye frɛ no Madam Diana Doche in fact ye matron eno no ye senior house mistress Madam Emilia Biama nyame nhira wo pa ye senior house master me friend me boss Sir Jonathan ye de friend no nyame nhira no maka wo ye wie no say me ba ne ka say there was a god factor ɛboa yɛ miedu saa mpɛmpɛnsoɔ no nti yɛbɛda yɛ clergy a ɔmo di anim ɛne mpaebɔ Reverend Collins Asare Latte ɛne very Reverend Isaac Yalfin, Reverend Dua a ɔwɔ Ebenezer Presby ɛna Reverend J Kromo a ɔwɔ Accra ɔmo boa yɛn na nanom nso boa yɛn yie papapapapapa ɔn sɛ na ɔka sɛ yabɔ nananom din in fact in the history of the school no wɔ meme baeɛ no this is the time a mehu sɛ nananom supporti NSMQ team no yie paa na ɔmo president ɛyɛ Mr. Asare Bafo ɛboa yɛn yie paa ɔmo general secretary Nana Bawa Clenard nyame nhyira mo na nyame nkyɛ the 1997 year group ɛna ɔmo adopti Odansko NSMQ team a ɔmo de yɛn ayɛ ɔmo yearly project say afibia no ɔmo wɔ bibia ɔmo bɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ ma yɛn ɔmo secretary ɛyɛ Nana Eric Bansa a ɔkyerɛ deɛ wɔ Adisadel ɛne ɔmo president nyame nhyira ɔmo nyinaa yɛn CDS Vice Red Admiral Set Amoama yes ɔboa yɛn ɔyɛ nananom ɔboa yɛn yie paa ɛna Professor AC Ewua ɛyɛ nananom a ɔmo support yɛn na sɛbio nkwala yɛ ihu wɔ TV si anyɛ kwa saa kwa ɛyɛ a teacher for mboa a ɔmo de training ɔmo ɛna ɔmo de duru baabi ɔmo de duru ni odi kan ɛyɛ mi HOD Science Department Mr. Divine Ankra na a ɔtimi ɔkyerɛ physics yie paa so what head on collision da wuhyia na ɔbɛkyerɛ ɔkyerɛ physics yie papa ɔne HOD ɛwɔ physics science department Mr. Techi me friend Accra Techi but ni di ankasa de Fred Techi mass there enko ho obon hu modern ye pa ono te minifa so he ɔkyerɛ mass ono so no he mass HOD ɛna Ebenezer Donko enso kyerɛ mass ɛna Jake me teacher or deputy coordinator no very good ɔkyerɛ chemistry na ope pente ne ten for na
ale no kwa de enko ho hene me sa teacher ni ye man so ne ntwinwie yakora
oh me say
mentable pain ho ake ho
say your problem there anyway she onya me
oh that be
obe church mu ati ase ye pa say Osman honorable Osman extra biology and say Richmond
no dey manage ho o he na me fana down
Osman ewo Odansko say o campus or class bibi ntina
we dey me afana down for
me hu baby I be so fana down Sir Richmond enzo chere physics Sir Richmond chere physics na nkola na omo wo research team students no e wo mo research team a omo ya research e ma omo ni odi kan Richmond McCarthy ono ye IT department any physics na ye wo Ado Francis ono say IT and physics any Asante Emmanuel biology na Bano Efum mathematics na Nyameche chemistry na Mary Opokusa ono na no yomu quiz mistress ono na otototo o ma no ye preparation no otototo o ma no na efe ye quiz boys na ngasa ye Richard Asare a ono ne kasa ye Prince Asare na Elisha Pepra ono de form 2 nyamencha de or form 2
ntono be san ko biom
very good nti next year no ye hwese erade be ya adom na odi yedru mpempenso a ye pese yedru no na ye kasa no enye teacher fo we nko ahoden enetimi yes a ye wo external facilitators ana omo so eboa yen ye wo Dr. Kuntu Blankson a o chade wa Adisadel ye wo Moses Adra ono so chade wa Adisadel ye wo Mr. Newton ono so chade wa Adisadel ye wo Mr. Dennis dodo na friend kaka or Sectec o chade wa Sectec na Sconti enso chade wa Sectec na yam past contestant Jawad Mohammed enso be boy ye pa so o KNUSC na Tete Augustine ono so o KNUSC na Steve Jamira ono so o Cuba ono so e de na hoodin ebe boy Mr. Evans e was in Louis ono so ebe boy ye pa na your driver ye ni omusu tu kwan ye chief driver o down school any action omo boy baby any Mr. Set baby eko bia omo ne yen eneko na no kraba ko ne say anytime bia ya dey school bus no ebetu kwan ye ko win contest
oh I see
yes nti ano so ye be da aban so ase because ono dey sa bus no e ma yen ye da na ase enso wo ho nti ina mpacho ye wo anuanom a omo share adwuma na ase ansa na ye nso ye beto aso Mr. PV Minta is ono ye assistant headmaster academics Salvation Army aye wenchi na Mr. Benjamin Okan first no ye assistant headmaster academics but they say ono no ye headmaster esaman kese enuanumi eboa ehya na ye nso ye be to aso meja akasemu na ma me
akasemu no mi akasa me ejima de me tamu aso
o enema mami wie enuanum me ba na enuanum kra me ntim bacho mami me monitew
mami
Fozia wo odan market nyami nshira jifa nurse wo odan kwanta nyami nshira nansi anim oti Roman down nyami nshira mi ECG boss Mr. David papa nyami nshira na Mr. Nunu mi EC boss papa nyami nshira na Mr. Richard Dankwa ono chere chemistry say Andon ye friend no nyami nshira omunya ma Teresa oton ashfom ofo my friend say hospital popo na o she ho mama nyami nshira mu nyina ene me co-tenant my money dia me ndu fie your friend nana yaw
say menko
your friend nana yaw nana nyami nshira mu nyina
ye di opani na chi aye nko ne me hwe buku eda na nimu no atu say okraye ankasa say ma me mra ho na onzu yan fan twato
yo so may greetings no ekoma Madam Gifty Precious Asamoah or ECG in fact oil me mami wo odakom ha
okay
and my wife Millicent Sefa Kwabochi a police officer na bana omo na me so me chi omo no pai and me head mistress.
Okay,
thank you very much.
Yeah, that's it. Say me pacho
yo anopa me so me chi abekwa ma ye meyo omo betena he omo de tu hu ache aho fama eni ope honhom na omo de share mo ne edum pempen so yi na me de na ase a etwato so be ma me colleague max teachers wo dance ko nyina omo wa fi hokra ko retirement no wo fro hia bibi na fro ma omo de ahokeka ebeboa abodwosenum nyame nhira mo nyina anopai da wase
yenso yeda se Jake mpacho so file di twato yenko
me de me coordinator kan bibia se na wa list ya de kra me machine
okay so oboa no ho anka
o aboa no ho pa ka bibia me de bibia ko ya maame
okay
ya maame Philomena ono so na se nkoma no ana chichafo a eno mu ye dwumari nyina ye list ya ha obepam ye
sa okay mpacho inti contestants no so mo obi amechia ne maame ne yenko na afi yen sorry so kra nti ye sha se de free Elisha honomo Elisha obebo maame no papa din no achia wo me ne yekọ ye ne fast my okay nti yenti Elisha
na se de kan ko nyankopon na se biem ko ma me so for Obuoba Ofori Pastor Thomas at the Universal Church of Jesus afenso mi chia maame ne papa Mr. Nicholas ne ma Janet ma Gladys bra ben munyina michia munyina radin shira munyina
amen okay yes our boss
bacho so ase dey kan koma onyankopon se wahwe yenso ase da etosu bi mu koma me ma me papa ye Christian donko ana asare Ernest me don masipan yankopon shiro mu ase da etosu bi mu koma mi ankasa mi di for Prophet John Kwesi bedi akon yankopon insurance na asede to bi nkoma me Grace Ofosuansa pacho we will be watching as we will be yankopon inshira ene me ankasa me nua Prince Ofosu yebo a I don't know no confirm pacho we will be yankopon inshira
okay all right microbe ni yankoi
so me di kan ada nyame ase yes nyame andum na yebedu sam pempen so asida edu so me be ma ye head mistress ni teacher for a coordinator dem was a power pempen boa mo ne boa yema yebedu sam pempen so me sans wada me papa Mr. Frank Asare ne ma me vida nim awo akra sisia na mi sham bebi amu bia na mi shira mo me asida edi honso enkoma ma Sarah ma mebusuafo Dickness Sarah ayite ne Dick ne elder Sakode me presiding elder our Church of Pentecost elder Thomas Talieso to be said district in Adansuma area be said district Damasepa yes
okay
yes Royal Assembly Damasepa ne mwa mpaibo amone time echi nyame hira mu nyina ebe sanda black check for 2021 year group black check for Obuoba dance school ebe da wase so pa eye me pastor Pastor Vincent Donko Big said district Church of Pentecost on Medan as a pa Medan as na ebe sanso ada Ahinkan FM yes Ahinkan FM mo inviting us here in the first place was an achievement on its own.
Okay. Yenso yedamasipa ya tunsa fremu amobaye. Enti yebesene share biom. But ye share biom ana ye share a bigger platform more than baby amokokodri ye no. Okay. Enti yede yankomo twehwe no so di si ha ya. Ebre na pa ho sima enan. Me free happen me call disciplinary committee when ni makoyi me ho ano. Yede aseda be kwa modi ankan kwa me yeboa being the executive producer for the show. Adwempa hene Kofi Mensa lead producer. Kobi K kan ho boa no na yedi dwumedie de bremo Kwame Asante de ko socials ni nyina ofreme Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Nyankopon ya adom chena yifiada yebesena hia chena de no Farmers Day edition ene de ebebremo kwaku anin kusibu adum atena ase a wode nsema hodo ebeto dwam kase ebo ne mu ndi animu no ode ni nyina eto aso kwaku
Nondu about per minute and 9:10 for the shmama machima makwaba biem eban kan 93.3 FM so eyensema do beti ewe yakase ebo awia na mpo anwumre mu ebinie eyade Ghana fo bo akuafo bo so pa se nyame bo kyan yo moda na wo mo sra ban pa so mo nnuoma ebe hwo mo kutu pa amamo ya adwuma